Hi guys, so welcome back. Thank you for all your messages from my earlier video. Honestly, thank you. It's really lovely. So we have got first of my plenty of unboxings I need to catch up on. I'm going to do individual videos for them all, just so it's easier just to find for people that want to look for particular companies and things. So the first one I'm going to be doing is my latest in beauty. So I've had this a couple of weeks now. I've been dying to get into it. So for those that don't know, Latest in Beauty, so it's a subscription service, or you can actually just buy them as one-off boxes, and you can choose between 3, 6 and 9 products a month. If you sign up, it's £9 a month for 3 products, 15 for 6, £18 for 9, and that includes postage and packaging. Or if you buy them as one-offs, your 3 products would cost you 16 plus P&P, 6 products would cost you 22 plus P&P, and 9 products would cost you £25 plus P&P. So you really do make a big saving by signing up and subscribing. So I get 9 products a month, and you can choose from usually between 150 to about 150 to 200 products are normally online at any one time for you to pick from, and it sort of ranges between like skincare, makeup, beauty tools, hair products, loads and loads of choices for you to select. So I really like it, and I always manage to fill my box with products. So I've had this for ages. Before I got the Latest in Beauty, I was subscribed to You Beauty Box, and then it switched over to this. But it's been running for a long time. They also do really nice like collection boxes as well. So currently they've got, if you're interested, they're doing, so they've got different ones here. So you can see we've got an Avon beauty box which has just come out, the Icons 10-year anniversary movie night box, Fabulous Beauty Awards, and the different prices, and sometimes you get like little savings if you're already subscribed. And then these ones have come down, like the Good Housekeeping Beauty Edit. It's been reduced down to £30 now. And it tells you what's in those. You don't get to choose, but they usually have some amazing deals in them. So onto this. So I've got my 9 products. So it comes packaged like this. You don't get any fancy boxes. It's literally just your cardboard delivery box, and your products are inside. And you always get a little card like this, and it has the social media details on the back. So it's ages since I've chose these. My selections are on the 6th of the month, so, and it's now, what day is it today? 25th. So I've actually forgotten even what I've ordered. I can remember a couple of things. So here we go. And I'm not sure if there's been I think there's been a promotion on, I don't know if it's been recently on Facebook or something, because a lot of people have got this box this month. I've spotted on social media, so I think they'd had a special offer on. So I'm not sure if that's still running. I can't see it, but it may well be. So it's worthwhile having a look on the Facebook page as well. And on the Facebook page, they always let you have like a product of the day. So that's a new product that's coming on for selection, and it tells you like sort of something focus on particular brands, and they'll add a lot of products day by day of one brand, and so it'll let you know what the brand is that's coming up the following week and things. So I've got a little freebie, and you often get little snacky freebies, sometimes savoury, sometimes chocolate. And this is the Hippies Organic Chickpea Puffs, sweet and smirking. I've had these before, but I think I'd forgotten about them and they'd gone out of date. But so I've still not tried them, but these ones are okay till January. And also, everybody this month I think got a free lip balm. When I come to it, I'll show you which one it is, because I'm pretty sure it's a Palmer's lip balm. I think it was free. So my first item is these 2 beauty blenders by Eco Tools. So it's a perfecting blender duo, best with liquid and cream makeups. So use it wet or dry, and I just thought it was quite good. They're the sort of smaller sponge and the larger sponge as well, so you can never have enough sponges, especially I'm really bad at washing mine. So there's a little bit of information on the back as well. So yes, that was my first item. Next item, I think it's a little duo. It's Cocoa Loca, and it's a shampoo and conditioner set. And it is these are tiny. I thought there'd be more than this. And how many mils are in here? 50 mils. But it's good for travelling if you're going away for a weekend. So that's those there. And it is your first step to silky soft shiny hair. Looks like it's probably coconut. Which is right, it's called Cocoa Loca. It's by Lee Stafford. Let's have a, it smells really nice. I used to get some Lee Stafford hair masks, I think, years ago. They normally have like bright pink packaging. So that's them. They're quite cute. I'm sure that's one item. I could be wrong, so we'll leave it there and see. Next thing I've got is this by Transformulas, and it's Youthful Hands and Feet. Unique anti-aging, line filling, blurring, wrinkle correcting treatment, and it is 75 mils, and it says invisible gloves. Use twice a day or as many times as required. Take a special treat for your hands. Apply Youthful Hands on your hands and wrap them in cellophane, cling film or latex gloves after a warm bath. Rest for a further 15 to 20 minutes and you'll be amazed by the results. I got a lip plumper by this company recently, last month I think. So, ooh, nice packaging. Looks really nice. And let's have a look. I'll pop a little bit on here. Oh, it is really thick. I do like how that looks. It looks very posh. Pop that back in there. And it's like a butter or like a body butter. It's really, really thick. It has got a smell. Can't place it, but it feels really, really nice. It feels nourishing, so I shall definitely be glad to use that. Next thing I've got is a Sanctuary Spa. Protect and Illuminate Moisturize. Protect and Illuminate Moisture Lotion, SPF 15, for all skin types, and it's 15 mils. There's quite a lot of Sanctuary Spa things to choose from. So yeah, that's that one. Next thing, a couple of months ago I got quite a few CYO products, and I really, really like them, so I thought I'd just go back and see if there's anything left still in the selection. And this is a blusher. So these are mostly full size. This is full size and it's in the shade Tell It Straight. Oops. And let's have a little look. So it's just a nice peachy shade. I think it's got a bit of a shimmer, like a peachy gold, and that's it there. Just quite pretty, quite a pretty colour. So yeah, with quite sort of peachy with some gold flecks in. So that'd be nice with a bit of a tan if I ever get on holiday this year. So that's that. Next thing is this by Sally Hansen in Gel Rehab, and it says overnight renewal mask to help repair nails, to pre-gel condition, just wash off in the morning. So it's like a little nail mask, so that's quite good. My nails are shocking, having occupational hazard really, but obviously Sally Hansen's a really good brand. They do a lot of good treatments for nails and things, and it's 10 ml bottle, and that's it there. So I shall definitely give that a go and see if, I mean, I don't have gel nails, but if it's a treatment that helps nourish them and improve the condition and things, then that'd be really good. Next thing, gosh, this is massive, is a face cream, and it's by Fade Out, and I don't know who this is, so if I'm being a bit thick, do let me know, or if any of you have used anything by Fade Out, let me know what you think. And so it is an advanced even skin tone day cream, SPF 25, clinically proven to brighten even skin tone, effective in 4 weeks, formulated with active natural ingredients, manufactured in the UK. I'm just trying to see if it's 50 mils, and there we go. So that's that. It's a massive tub. It feels really heavy. Next, I just wanted one of these. It's a balmy moisturising lip balm. Oh, look at it. It looks great. I think they had a few different flavours, and it says lava lip balm and no, love lip balm. It says, not lava. And let's have a little look. So raspberry. And it says with nourishing shea butter, jojoba oil and vitamin E. So it should be a really nourishing balm. And it just looks like this. And I just think they look really nice. Look at that. That looks so lovely. I hope this lid stays on properly. It smells really nice. And it's like really hydrating. It's quite a, it tastes like yogurt. It's lovely. I imagine once that point goes down, you probably just need to use your finger to put it on. But how cute is that? I think it's really nice. Oh, and it clips round shut, so it's really securely closed. So that's good. And it's got a little balmy logo on the top. So I really like that. Next thing I've got is Daughter of the Soil, and it's Baobab and Reboss body lotion, white mulberry. I have actually got a pump dispenser one of these, and I think it's slightly bigger what I've already got, and that was about £18. So this is like a really good, it's a really nice brand. It's the body lotion I've got is a really nourishing, lovely body lotion. So I was pleased to see this. It's a nice, as I say, it's a nice brand, and I think it's quite an ethical brand, from what I remember. It's 100% natural and naturally derived, and I'm sure they put money back into some sort of project or something. I might be wrong, but I'm sure they do something like that, helping with farming and women and things. But yeah, there we are. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, those shampoo and conditioners were one item. And then this is a little freebie that everyone got this month, which is another little lip balm. It's just a coconut oil lip balm by Palmer's, SPF 15. So I'll leave that in there just now. I've got loads of lip balms open just now. I might pop it into a giveaway or something. But yeah, so there we are. So that's all my products for August. So it's not going to be long to my next selection. So I do really love this box. And it depends what you kind of want. If you want a lot of makeup things, then sometimes you might struggle. But I'm really happy just getting a lot of skincare and sort of body care, bath things and stuff like that, just to try. So for me, I like it. So I think they have good brands. They have good size products as well. You know, a lot of full size products are available to choose, and a good selection. And I've seen a few reviews and comments, people saying that they don't think they've got a good choice, but I would disagree, because I think they've got, I don't struggle. I think maybe about 4 or 5 months ago they had a bit of a month where I did sort of think, oh, I couldn't quite find my 9 selections, you know, very easily. But apart from that one-off, it's always been really easy to find. So that's it for now. As I said, I'm not going to do all the split screens this time, just because I'm trying to catch up with all my unboxings. But next month, I should go back to my normal sort of style of videos. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you got it? Because loads of you seem to have got it this month. Or if not, what's your favourite box? So take care, guys, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.